Component of food. Introduction to nutrition. In order to keep ourselves healthy, our food must include appropriate amount of all the nutrients. Through this topic, you will get an idea of the food items that you need to include every day in your diet. Health is wealth. How true is this term? Is this applicable to us or no? Well, all these doubts will be answered in a short while from now as we go through this presentation. However, before we proceed, answer this question. What among this is the number one killer that the world is fighting against? Options are poverty, lifestyle, AIDS, politics. Oops, it is lifestyle. This presentation deals with the consequence of malnutrition, adulteration in food, quality of drinking water. Why is health of prime importance? According to World Health Organization, health is defined as the complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Well, here is Michelle and Andrea. Let us have a look at the lifestyle that they follow. Michelle likes to go by her schedule. She wakes up early in the morning, meditates, freshens up, and then has her breakfast. With this, Michelle is all set for the day. And here is Andrea. Take a look at her and decide for yourself who is an organized person. And Andrea wakes up. It's 7. Don't you want to make it in time to school today? There goes Andrea to school with no proper grooming, no breakfast. If Andrea is to continue like this, will she maintain proper health? Needless to say, what we miss when we fall sick. Missing a single day at school can be termed as a huge loss. Working men also lose their wages for that day. You end up with work piled up your desk. You might need a weekend to clear the desk while your colleagues and friends might go partying. Here are the tips to maintain good health. Nutrition, proper habit, exercise and relaxation. Nutrition. Diet forms an important aspect of our lives. We all know the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Components of food. In order to keep doctor away, your diet must include the following 5 components: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are a class of an energy-yielding substances. Chemically, they are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Examples of carbohydrate are starch, sugar, and glucose, etc. Cereals, roots, and tubers largely gives us starch. Glucose is the simplest carbohydrate, which is an instant source of energy. Proteins. The term protein was given by J. Berzelius in 1938. Proteins are made up of smaller units called amino acids. Proteins not only form the building material of our body, but also carry out other functions. Deficiency of proteins causes 2 diseases in infants: marasmus and Kwashiorkor. Vitamins. The term vitamins was given by C. Funk in 1911. These are organic compounds needed in small quantities. Vitamins are found in food and deficiency of vitamins causes diseases. Based on solubility, vitamins are grouped into two classes: water soluble, vitamin B complex and vitamin C, and fat solubles, vitamin A, D, E, K. Vitamin cannot be synthesized by the cells of our body and must be supplied by food containing specific vitamins. However, vitamin D and K are synthesized by the body. Water soluble, vitamin B complex and vitamin C, and fat solubles, vitamin A, D, E, K. Minerals. Minerals are inorganic substances. At least 29 elements are found in our body. Minerals have no energy value, but they do have important functions in the body. Let us see the function played by iron and sodium. Iron. Iron is essential for formation of hemoglobin in red blood cells. It is necessary for tissue oxidation. Sodium. Contraction of muscles. Transmission of nerve impulses. Maintenance of positive electrolyte balance in the body. Roughage. Roughage is the indigestible part of the diet. For example, cellulose in fruit and vegetables and connective tissue in meat and fish. Sources of roughage are salads, vegetables and fruits with their skins, as the skin has high fiber content. They are good for digestion and aid in bowel movement. Corn cob, bhutta, and porridge, dalia, also provide good roughage material in addition to other nutrients. Water. Water is an important part of our diet. It makes 65 to 75% of our body weight. Excess loss of water due to vomiting and diarrhea leads to dehydration, which may be fatal. Functions. Water regulates the temperature of our body by sweating and evaporation. It provides an important means of excreting body waste. Most biochemical reactions occurring in the body takes place in the aqueous medium. It forms a good solvent. Malnutrition. There are 4 forms of malnutrition. Undernutrition. When insufficient amount of food is eaten over an extended period of time, it is called undernutrition, and in extreme cases, when no food is consumed for days, it is called starvation. Overnutrition. Consumption of excessive quantity of food over a period of time is overnutrition. It leads to obesity, atheroma, cholesterol deposition on arterial wall, and diabetes. Imbalanced diet. When certain nutrients are in large portion in the diet, where other nutrients are negligible. For our convenience, we divide the type of food we eat into 3 categories: energy-giving food, body-building food, protective food. What are energy-giving foods? Our body performs various functions, so do the organs. Energy is required for both the process, that is, metabolism and catabolism. Wheat, potato, oil, and chapati act as energy-giving food. Body-building food. Foods provide energy for growth. Our body undergoes wear and tear all the time. Energy from this food is used for this process. Egg, fish, black grams, milk, and groundnuts are parts of bodybuilding foods, proteins. Absence of certain food constituents like vitamins and minerals causes deficiency diseases. The only way to prevent these deficiencies is by consuming food rich in these constituents. Cabbage, lemon, amla, onion, orange, mango, carrot, and papaya provides minerals and vitamins. Summary. Let us revise what we have learnt in this topic. The major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals. In addition, food also contains dietary fibers and water. Carbohydrates and fats mainly provide energy to our body. Proteins and minerals are needed for the growth and maintenance. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Balanced diet provides all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities along with adequate amount of roughage and water. Deficiency of one or more nutrients in our food for a long time may cause certain diseases or disorders.